Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, the channel where we dive into the latest in electric vehicles, futuristic rides, and everything built for power, performance, and innovation. Today, we're shifting gears from 2 wheels to 4, and taking a deep look into the wild, angular beast that has redefined what a truck can be, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. The bold design, still ahead of its time. When Tesla first unveiled the Cybertruck, the world was stunned. Fast forward to 2025, and that shock factor hasn't faded. The Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton and polygonal shape still look like something straight out of a sci-fi film. But now, it's not just about looks, it's about what that design does. The ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel body offers top-tier durability, dent resistance, and corrosion protection. Paired with armored glass, Tesla isn't just promising a tough truck, it's redefining ruggedness for a new era. Whether you're off-roading through the desert or navigating urban chaos, this design means business. Performance, power meets precision. Underneath its armored shell, the 2025 Cybertruck is all muscle and brains. Tesla offers the vehicle in single, dual, and tri-motor configurations, and yes, the tri-motor version is still the star. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.9 seconds, that's supercar territory, in a truck. It's not just speed either. With adaptive air suspension, up to 16 inches of ground clearance, and a towing capacity of over 14,000 pounds, the Cybertruck is built to do more than just look cool. It's capable, agile, and tough, everything you'd want whether you're hauling gear or heading deep into the wilderness. Battery and range. One of the most important aspects of any EV is its range, and Tesla doesn't disappoint. The 2025 Cybertruck boasts an estimated range of up to 500 miles on the top-end model. That's a serious game-changer for long road trips, off-road adventures, or daily work tasks without needing a daily recharge. Tesla's latest battery innovations, including their new 4680 cells, play a big role in making this possible, offering higher energy density, better efficiency, and faster charging. With supercharging support, the Cybertruck can add hundreds of miles in just a few minutes, keeping downtime minimal. Interior. Step inside the Cybertruck, and you're greeted with a minimalistic but futuristic interior. The dashboard is clean, dominated by a large 18.5-inch touchscreen, which controls nearly every function of the vehicle. Seating for 6, hidden storage compartments, and a built-in air compressor show Tesla's focus on both comfort and utility. For those who like to take their truck off the beaten path, or turn it into a mobile workstation, the Cybertruck offers unmatched versatility. And yes, the yoke steering is still a part of the experience, making every drive feel like you're piloting a spacecraft. Tech and autonomy. As you'd expect from Tesla, the Cybertruck is packed with tech. Full self-driving capabilities are available, with Tesla's latest AI-assisted features making driving safer and easier than ever before. Over-the-air updates ensure your truck keeps getting better with time, from performance tweaks to entirely new features. Autopilot is smoother, smarter, and more intuitive. You also get features like Sentry Mode for security, Tesla's new off-road mode for better terrain handling, and advanced driver assistance that turns long drives into a breeze. Pricing and availability. As of 2025, the Cybertruck is officially in full production, and deliveries are steadily rolling out. The base model starts around $60,000, while the fully loaded tri-motor version can cross the $90,000 mark. It's not the cheapest EV out there, but when you factor in performance, range, and capability, it's hard to find a better value in the electric truck market. Tesla has also introduced flexible subscription options, giving users the chance to experience the Cybertruck without the long-term commitment, a smart move in today's fast-changing market. Final thoughts. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision brought to life. With its combination of raw power, intelligent design, and futuristic features, it's set to become a favorite not only for EV fans but also for anyone who needs a serious truck that doesn't compromise on innovation. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an off-road adventurer, or just someone who loves pushing boundaries, the Cybertruck deserves your attention.